indices or index. Say if I write 2 to the power 5, so 2 is base and 5 is index or power. So if it is 1 power, we will call index. More than 1 power, we will call indices. Means if a to the power m is base and m is index or power. Now there are some properties. Number 1, a to the power m into a to the power n will be equal to what? A to the power m plus n. If base same, in case of multiplication, power will be added. In case of division, the power will be subtracted. M minus n. A to the power m whole thing to the power n, a to the power m into n. A, b whole thing to the power n, a to the power n into b to the power n. A by b whole thing to the power n, a to the power n by b to the power n. A to the power minus n, a to the power minus n equal to 1 by a to the power n, 1 by a to the power n, a to the power 0, a to the power 0 equal to 1. So these are some properties of indices. We call laws of indices. First one is a to the power m into a to the power n, a to the power m plus n, a to the power m by a to the power n, a to the power m minus n. If base same, in case of division, power will be subtracted. A to the power m whole thing to the power n, then m into n. Now there is a difference between these two. This is a to the power m whole thing to the power n. Means a to the power m power is n. So we can write a to the power m into n. But if we write like this, a to the power m to the power n, that means what? The power of a is m to the power n. Power of a is m to the power n. And this is power of a to the power m is n. There is a difference. Okay. A to the power 0 equal to a to the power 0 equal to 1. Now, we can prove that a to the power 0 equal to 1. Now, what we can do? We know a to the power m by a to the power n equal to a to the power m minus n. Let m equal to n. Let m equal to n. So a to the power m by a to the power n. A to the power m. In place of n, I have written m. So a to the power m equal to a to the power m minus m. This when we cancel become 1 and this is what? 0. So implies what? A to the power 0 equal to 1. Okay. So this is the proof for a to the power 0 equal to 1. Now we'll do some sum of indices. So first sum of indices. Find the value of, question number 1. Find the value of (16 to the power minus 1 by 5), 16 to the power minus 1 by 5, whole thing to the power 5 by 2. 16 to the power minus 1 by 5, whole thing to the power 5 by 2. So solution, 16 to the power minus 1 by 5, whole thing to the power 5 by 2. Now a to the power m, whole thing to the power n, a to the power m, whole thing to the power n, a to the power m into n, 1 by 5 into 5 by 2. So 5 cancel, it will be 16 to the power minus half. 16 we can write 2 to the power 4. We will find the prime factor or prime power. Prime factor or prime power. 2 to the power 4. 16 we can write 2 to the power 4. Prime power. 2 is a prime number, prime power. So 2 to the power minus half. Again a to the power m whole thing to the power n, a to the power m into n. 2, 2. It will become what? 2 to the power minus 2. 2 to the power minus 2. A to the power minus n. A to the power minus n. 1 by a to the power n. 1 by 2 square. And what is 1 by 2 square? Is what? 1 by 4. Okay. Another sum. Next one. A to the power, find the value. Same, find the value. Find the value. Find the value of a to the power minus half into 2a to the power minus 2 into 3a to the power 1 by 3, 7a to the power minus 1, a to the power minus 1 by 3, a to the power minus 2 by 3. Now all bases what? All bases a. This is a to the power minus 2. So this one, first you see the numbers. Numbers are what? 2 and 3. So 3 into 2 is what? 6. A is what? Minus half, minus 2 plus 1 by 3. Base same, power added. Numerator. Denominator also base same, power added, minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 3. Minus 1, minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 3. So this will be 6 by 7, a to the power, if we calculate LCM is what? 6. 2 3 ja. 6 2 ja 12 minus 12, 3 2 ja 6. Here also 3 LCM, minus 3, minus 1, minus 2. So this will be equal to 6 by 7, a to the power 13, 15, 13. So minus 13 by 6 by a to the power 3, 4, 5, minus 5 by 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, sorry, minus 6 by 3. So this will be 6 by 7, a to the power minus 13 by 6 by a to the power minus 2. Now this will go to the numerator. This will go to the numerator, become means base same in case of division, power subtracted. So it will be what? Minus 2, minus 13 by 6 plus 2, power subtracted. This will be 6 by 7, a to the power 6 to the 12, minus 1 by 6. So 6 by 7, a to the power 1 by 6. 6 by 7. Next. Simplify x to the power a by x to the power b, whole thing to the power a plus b, divided by x to the power a by x to the power a minus b, whole thing to the power a plus b. Simplify. So this will be equal to x to the power a minus b whole thing to the power a plus b, x to the power a minus a plus b whole thing to the power a plus b, x to the power a minus b into a plus b, a to the power m whole thing to the power n, a to the power m into n, divided by a cancel, x to the power b whole thing to the power a plus b, a to the power m whole thing to the power n, m into n. This will be x to the power a square minus b square, divided by x to the power ab plus b square. X to the power a square minus b square, since it is divide, we know if base same, in case of division, power subtracted, so it will be minus ab minus b square. So this become x to the power a square minus ab minus a square minus ab minus 2b square, a square minus ab minus 2b square. Okay. So this one, another one. So this is question number 3. So another one, say question number 4. X to the power a by x to the power b whole thing to the power a plus b, divided by x to the power a by x to the power a minus b. This time the change is here. This will be a square by b. So this will be x to the power a minus b whole thing to the power a plus b, like the previous one. This one also a minus a plus b a square by b. This will be equal to x to the power a plus b a minus b into a plus b divided by x to the power a cancel b into a square by b. X to the power m whole thing to the power n, m into n. So here b cancel. So this will be x to the power a square minus b square divided by x to the power a square. Now since division, the power will be subtracted. B square minus a square. So a square cancel. X to the power minus b square means 1 by x to the power b square. Okay? Got this one? Number 4. Then next one, number 5. 2 to the power m plus 2. Number 5. 2 to the power m plus 2 into 3 to the power 2m minus n into 5 to the power m plus n minus 2 plus 2 into 6 to the power n divided by 6 to the power m 10 to the power n plus 2 15 to the power m. So this one, how we can do? These are not a prime number. 6, 10, 15, these are not prime number. So we will make all the number prime first. So already there are some prime numbers are there. 2, 3, 5 already prime numbers are there. But those which are not prime, we have to make it prime. So 2 to the power m plus 2 into 3 to the power 2m minus n into 5 to the power m plus n plus 2. 6 we can write 2 into 3. So 2 to the power n into 3 to the power n. Okay. Divided by 6 we can write 2 into 3. This time m. So whole thing to the power m. 10 we can write 2 into 5. N plus 2 n plus 2. And 15 we can write 3 to the power m into 5 to the power m. Okay. So I have skip one step, that is a b whole thing to the power n, a to the power n into b to the power n. I have directly written this one. Let's say 10, I have to first write 2 into 5 whole thing to the power n plus 2. Then this step, I have directly written this step. Okay, now you have 2, 3 and 5. So what are there in 2? So 2 you have m plus 2 from numerator. Then another 2, yes, n. From denominator you have minus m. And from denominator again you have minus n minus 2. Okay, so 2, all the power of 2 I have either added or subtracted. In case of multiplication, added. In case of division, I have subtracted. Next, now come to 3. 3 we have 2m minus n, then we have plus n, then we have minus m, then we have again plus m. 3. See, 2m minus n plus n, then minus m, then 3 minus m. Okay, 2m minus n plus n minus m, and then again we have, in case of 3, minus m, not plus m, this is minus m. Again, you can check. 2m minus n plus n. So 2m minus n plus n. Then this will be negative. So minus m, and another one is what? This one, minus m. Okay. Now come to 5. 5 what we have? M plus n minus 2. M plus n minus 2. And then what do we have? Minus n minus 2 minus m. Okay. M plus n plus 2, not minus 2. M plus n plus 2 here. Plus 2 it is. So now from this one, m cancel, n cancel. What left? 2 cancel. 2 cancel. So this becomes 2 to the power 0. Come to 3. 3 what we have? N cancel. This is 2m. This is minus n. So this one also cancel. 3 to the power 0. Now in this one, m cancel. N cancel. 2 also cancel. So it will be 5 to the power 0. 2 to the power 0 is 1. 3 to the power 0 is 1. 5 to the power 0 is 1. Answer equal to what? Answer equal to 1. So this much today. I will give some sum. You can do yourself. Okay.